boys. But sadly, there's no music, so I'll probably gonna use mines. There we go, much better.
Man, I'm bored.
Me too.
I might have to leave soon because I have to release the good, the bad, and the noise for NTV.
Wait, what the hell is that?
Hold on. I can't. That scream, that's so goofy. Back at school again.
Brew, why the hell are we here again?
I don't know.
Well, we know what happened last time, so let's just go in the school.
Okay. And I don't know what to do now.
Oh no. Oh,
Hello,
there's
my
Miss Echo.
students. Will be taking a test in my class, and if you have Oreos, give them to me.
I have a
Okay.
question. Why the hell did you amputate your hand?
Fucking gross. The nose.
I'm not even gonna ask you to stop being rude.
I'm not
But
gonna
fine,
lie.
we'll take the test.
I mean, not gonna lie. It's still this sucking this.
Why are we
land.
even in this school? We're literally adults.
I don't know, but I think we should just... Who the hell threw that rock at me?
Oh no, the doors. The doors. The doors.
Wait, how the fuck are you alive? I thought Pedito killed you.
Yo.
I have a feeling I should help him.
Hey man, I think you should turn around.
Oh no. Capito!
Well, since that's out of the way, I should just go back.
Yes, you.
Alright, I'm back.
Bro, you literally destroyed half of the school.
Womp womp.
Whatever.
Jesus, I'm hungry. I hadn't eaten anything today.
Well, let's go to the cafeteria.
Tabacaria.
Okay,
Let's go.
is
Spaghetti?
that spaghetti?
Oh my god. Is that the Sprite? What kind of Sprite is that? Hold on.
Is that spaghetti?
Is that the peppino Sprite eating spaghetti? Oh, that looks like a fake demo. It's a kind of demo, by the way.
How hungry were you?
A lot, but I'm still kinda. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Why did you throw a paper ball at me?
Because it was funny.
Funny.
Throw another one at me and see what happens.
Oh, yes.
Wait, where did he go?
Wait, I got an idea. Hold on. I got an idea. That's not enough music, so I'm about to probably use the not this one. Oh, I got an idea. There we go. Much better.
Too easy.
I love that goofy ass song.
I'm back from beating the shit out of 3 students.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I'm not hungry anymore, so let's just leave.
Alright.
Please, you need to both to.
You fail.
Doesn't know. Oh my god. They both escape.
God
Wait a
damn it,
minute.
we're trapped.
Wait a minute. It's
You know
Pizza
what?
Tower.
I'm getting tired of this shit.
Oh. He's gonna use super form of that shit. Hold on, let me give you both. I'm gonna give you super formed. Yes. fuck the noise. Beat the shit out of him. Nope. Why you give me ads? Why? Why eat you? Not give me ads, please. Good day. Thank you. Wah 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 wah. There we go.
Bro was super funny. Still can't believe we saved him. I wonder how long we're gonna play. There's no way this goofball can back.
No, what's up?
Nah, if you wanna fight me, then
Bro, where did he go?
Hey, I just want to let you know you're a dick.
Good episode. But it was part 1, but still, it doesn't matter.
seems like we're in a paper world.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Alright, what do we do now?
I
Oh,
don't
no.
know.
He doesn't know. Oh.
Hey, are you new here?
And who the hell are you?
Bro, stop being rude.
My bad.
And yes, we are new here.
Okay, then your first class is Miss Circle, then Miss Bloomy then.
Stop yapping.
Noise.
Stop yapping.
Stop being rude before we get kicked out.
Thank you.
Alright.
Well, anyway, like I was saying, then Miss Stavel, then Miss Sosha, and Mr. D. Mai, and that's all.
Alright.
Bruv, Noisy doesn't care, then the characters more circle doesn't care. I mean, good job.
And that's why Orios are better than.
Oh yeah.
This classroom looks like shit.
Bro,
Not
Who are
gonna
these
lie.
people?
And who are you, bitch?
Oh hell no, I'm not gonna let you talk to my best friend like that.
And what are you gonna do about it?
Noted.
now hold on. Let me get out the way.
I'm gonna beat your ass. That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, scary!
Shimmy Timbers.
I'm going to the cafeteria.
Give him my timbers! Oh, scary!
I love that shit.
I'm gonna beat your ass. That's
Nah.
what I'm gonna do.
Nah, this is Baby Mighty, and that character was Circle's games of fans, and this is me.
Oh, scary! Shiver my timbers!
I'm going to the cafeteria.
Wait
So
for me.
goofy.
What
Oh,
the
no.
hell just happened?
I don't know.
Goofy. Oh.
Noise. Why did you KO a student?
Because I felt like it.
He feel like
But
it.
anyways, I'm getting
Yeah.
hungry. Time to make food.
How are we gonna make food?
Like this.
Is that the Sprite? He make food.
You know what,
spaghetti.
Italian man, you can have it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Well, time to eat. My fucking spaghetti. Okay, I'm pissed off now. Who the fuck threw that paper ball?
It was those two over there at that table.
Okay, thanks.
Beat the F out of him.
Did you too throw paper balls at me?
Yes, we threw paper balls at you and it was pretty funny.
Look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
KO'd. And slapped.
And that's what you fucking get. Well, I guess I should go back.
Yay.
Alright, I'm back.
I saw the whole thing.
We should probably leave before someone sees us.
All right.
Alright.
Bro. Move.
That was literally a teacher.
Well, I don't care.
Fair enough.
Fair enough, by the way.
I think that's the exit.
Alright, let's leave this place. Bro, I can't see shit in here.
Wait, I see something in the distance.
Oh no, don't. This is piss up.
Who the fuck are you?
Ain't no way, bro. You got in the background. You've been rammed. Oh my god. That is fucking legendary. People, you made this. You are fucking legendary. You are a cap and legendary. I will give you the Pizza Tower P rank. Your video is good, by the way. I give you P rank because not because they have the text speech, and I really hate the Mosako Kanchas. I really knock off all of them, but still, you give them legendary P rank, double rainbow P rank of that shit. Oh my god. Yes.